Beth from Pass the Plants, and today we are going to make a cherry barbecue soy curl sandwich. I know that sounds really weird for a lot of reasons, like what the heck is cherry doing in barbecue sauce and what in the world are soy curls? We're going to talk about that, so don't worry, everything's going to be great. And we're going to have a delicious summer dinner to eat at the end of it all. Okay, so I got this crazy idea because I've been using cherries a lot because it's cherry season, and I wanted to come up with something that was a little different to do, but also not make it super complicated because we want quick dinners on a hot summer day, I think we could all agree. So I decided to use regular jarred barbecue sauce, and this is Annie's brand, and it says vegan right on it, so you know it's safe. But it's got all like really good ingredients in it, nothing super weird. And I mix a cup of that with some pitted cherries. I literally blended the cherries up, so we're not just doing cherry juice, into the barbecue sauce. And then we'll simmer it with these interesting ingredients called soy curls. What in the heck are soy curls? Soy curls are actually made just from cooked whole soybeans. It almost looks like chicken when it's hydrated, but it's just soybeans, that's it. And it tastes amazing when you rehydrate it and soak it in this barbecue sauce. So the first thing that we're gonna do is actually soak the soy curls in hot water first, and that's just gonna hydrate them. And because they're not going to take on the sauce alone, if you just cook them in the sauce, you have to hydrate them first. So we'll do that. And the way that I do that is in my salad spinner, but you could also just put them in a bowl and cover them with hot water. But I like doing it in the salad spinner because then I can actually spin them dry afterward. So if you have a salad spinner, this is what I would use. We'll put all the soy curls in there. This is a 8-ounce package, and when it's rehydrated, it says it's approximately 1.5 pounds. So we'll put all that in there. So I've got some water that I just boiled in my electric kettle, and I'm just pouring it over just to cover the soy curls. And we're just gonna let that hang out in this little sauna bath for about 10 minutes. Okay, so our soy curls are rehydrating in the salad spinner, so I'm just gonna set these to the side and then we'll make the barbecue sauce. Okay, so cherry season doesn't last very long, and I don't really like to get one type of tool for one type of purpose like a cherry pitter. So one trick that I learned about that works really actually very well is to pit the cherries using a rigid straw. So this is just like I think it's like a candy cane looking straw that I had in the drawer. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna pit the cherries to fill up a 1 cup measure, and then we'll blend that up with 1 cup of barbecue sauce. So you take your cherry, have your straw, and the stem is kind of your guide, but you're basically looking for the part where the stem comes out, and you grasp the straw firmly, and then hold the cherry so that your fingers make room for the straw to come through. And I just like to hold it over a napkin so the cherry juice doesn't come off everywhere and stain. But see, the pit and the stem come right out. You've got your pitted cherry. That was easy, right? Just keep doing that until we filled up the 1 cup. Okay, I cleaned up the cherry crime scene. So we have our 1 cup, or we have our 2 cup measure. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of barbecue sauce to that. Let's see. All the lines on here have kind of worn off. You could do the whole bottle if you, this is just over a cup. So we'll just use the whole bottle. So now you know, if you get the Annie's brand, you can just use the whole bottle of sauce and you're good to go. I like that because then you don't waste anything. I didn't know that before. Okay, because last time I actually tested this, I used a different barbecue sauce. So we have our 1 cup of sauce, just a little over a cup, and we have our cherries. If you have your own favorite barbecue sauce recipe, use that. And then we have our, see, you can tell I always use my immersion blender. If you've seen more of my videos, I use it every chance I get. Okay, so 10 minutes went by, I drained off all the extra water, and then I used the salad spinner to spin out all any additional water that was still stored inside. So this is what the soy curls look like now. They're really spongy and soft and chewy, and they taste awesome. So not by themselves though, they need some help. That's what the barbecue sauce is for. So I'm just gonna add these now to a skillet. And that makes quite a bit. I'm gonna move this over a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. And then literally all I'm gonna do is just pour the sauce on top and then let this simmer and soak in that sauce for about, it usually takes about, I don't know, 10 minutes before it's not just soy curls and sauce. Everything has kind of become one. And you'll end up, everything will still be pretty saucy but not drippy, so that when you go to put it on the burger bun, it's not gonna be super messy. You'll still be able to eat it without sauce dripping all over the place. Okay, the moment of truth is upon us. So I'm just gonna top it with the bun here. It's a lot like Sloppy Joe's in that it's gonna probably be a little messy. I've already got coleslaw falling out. Doesn't it look good? I'm excited. The texture is amazing of the soy curls. They're soft but chewy and moist, and they have all that sauce. But then you've got the creamy, crunchy contrast of the coleslaw. All right, well, I hope that you will give this a try. Your adventures with soy curls start now, unless you're already a soy curl expert. But let me know in the description or in the comments below. Give me a shout out if you've tried soy curls before, what you think of them, and definitely let me know if you try this recipe, because I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to watch our other videos and subscribe to the channel so you can always know when a new plant-based recipe has hit your inbox. And I'd love to have you back and let me know what recipes that you would like me to do next time. All right, guys, have a great day.